Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This guy accidentally made a fire tornado and it looks super cool.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
This amazing device can pick up anything, even ketchup, without creating any mess. I have no idea how this works. This dad was trying to do a fake slap, but the kid had something else in mind.
Oh. Oh.
Hulk lost all his aura at this moment.
Sit. Good job. Come on, Papa.
This girl wanted to take the guy's number, so she did this. This is how birthdays are wished on an airplane.
Birthday to you. Play ball. All right, now blow out those candles.
I think this dog is in his villain arc.
Y'all, he closed the cat in the kennel.
This cute dog was having a great time in the snow.
Midas. Hey. Holy sh**. Blizzard. Okay.
This is what happens when there is a high turbulence during a flight. That's it for today's video. See you all in the next one. Till then, take care.